Hello everyone. Today we are going to be working on our ABCs, and we are going to do ABCs in the animal kingdom. So we will learn different animals that start with the different letters of the alphabet. First we're going to start out with A for aardvark, B for badger, C for capybara, D for dolphin, E for emu, F for frilled neck lizard, G for giraffe, H for hyena, I for iguana, J for jaguar, K for koala, L for llama, M for moose, N for narwhal, O for owl, P for penguin, Q for quail, R for raccoon, S for sloth, T for tiger, U for urchin, V for vulture, W for walrus, X for X-ray tetra, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Now using these different animals, it will help you remember which letters start with which animal. If you study these and keep practicing, it'll once you see the picture of the animal, you'll automatically know what the letter is. So just keep practicing, and good job and good luck.